I've shown you guys how you can back up on WhatsApp. So when you start using a new mobile phone, you just need to sign in your Gmail and you're going to get all your messages, your videos you've sent previously. So let me show you guys how to do this. Launch your WhatsApp like this. Tap on the three dots here. Move to your settings here. So on here, move to your chat. So that's what we want to back up here. Scroll up or down, whatever. Now you can see here, I've added my Gmail here. This is a tutorial mail. If you are new here, this is a tutorial mail. Tap on that, sign in your Gmail there, and then, select this if you want to include your videos, but it's going to make it a more bigger. I don't think adding videos is necessary. And here, I think that's it. You can choose to back up on a cellular, that's mobile data, or when you're on a Wi-Fi only. So you can see that was my last backup. So what you need to do is just tap on the backup like this, and it's going to back up all the messages into this Gmail that you saw earlier in the video. That's it. Very, very simple and easy. So after doing that, anytime you move to a new mobile phone, you just need to sign in this Gmail on there. And when you install WhatsApp, the backup is going to, upload itself. Simple as that. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.